Hi guys, I'm back and I'm happy that you are back as well here with me and my nail fantasy. Let's have fun with our nails. Today I have for you a giveaway which is sponsored by BeautyBigbang. And the reason they sponsored this is you guys have used my discount code more than 10 times. Thank you so much. And this is why Lisa informed me that they will now sponsor a giveaway on my channel. Thank you so much, Lisa. Thank you so much, BeautyBigbang, for this generous giveaway sponsoring. And we will have a look what you can win. There will be one winner. Of course, I will tell you what you have to do, but I will put everything in the video description box, so check that out, read it, make sure you read all the rules, and if you enter for this giveaway, you agree to these rules. That's essentially it. The condition from BeautyBigbang is just that you have to subscribe to their YouTube channel. I will link that below in the video description box. Of course, you also have to be a subscriber to my channel. It would also be nice if you have an Instagram account that you follow both BeautyBigbang and my Instagram. And guess what? This will also be linked in the description box below. The only thing you actually have to do, again, subscribe to BeautyBigbang's YouTube channel and to my YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram if you have Instagram. If not, that's no problem. And leave a comment that says enter me somewhere in your comment text. Okay? What can you win? Well, BeautyBigbang has just released an 8-piece stamping plate collection. They are XL stamping plates, so they are bigger than what they had before. The small ones, you know, the squared ones. You have seen them on my channel. I have reviewed them. So the new ones will look like this, and they have come up with individual sleeves for each stamping plate. Really, really cute. So I'm gonna show you them in detail now. Here are the cute sleeves for the stamping plates. They are always matched to the individual designs of the plate. So there will be a cat plate. Actually, it's cats and dogs. There will be a unicorn plate, and there will be something with seashells. Let's have a look. Here we go. This is number XL001, and we have summer designs. Look how pretty. These plates have 1, 2, 3, 5 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 14 designs. Not all of them. Some of them have individual designs. We'll look at them now. So you have summer fruits. You have the seashells up here. You have seahorses. Look how cute. And you have flamingos with pineapples and palm tree leaves. Very pretty. You have hibiscus flowers. So gorgeous. And you have kind of a wavy design, waves down here. But I love the fruit designs up here. Everything's nice for advanced stamping, of course. These plates are gonna be very versatile, and I will review them as soon as they arrive. They are on the way to me now. Thank you for that, Lisa, as well. But they are really brand new, so I can now only show you the pictures, but you can already see how pretty they are. Next one. Here we have more summer designs and very pretty designs, very unique designs. This one here, for example, the mountain and the sunset, something like that I have not seen before. Then we have this little mermaid in the water, very pretty. The fish scales here, the dolphins down below in the ocean. Small designs that will fit also on smaller nails. That's always nice to have. Take a break. I love summer. And here, Estes, best friends, so cute. And here you have the flip-flops with the sunglasses at the beach. That's so gorgeous. And of course your beach chair with the umbrella. I just could plop into that right now. Next one. We have butterflies and flowers. Over here you have individual butterflies that you can use and some kind of fantasy tree. Very pretty. This one is a design that's negative and positive. Gorgeous. more hibiscus flowers. Then here you have roses, also negative and positive design roses. Here you have more butterflies. It's always good to have full nail design and individual things, so you can have an accent nail with the full design and have the individual butterflies on the other fingers, or vice versa, whatever you fancy. Then the next one is geometrical shapes. Also very pretty. This one looks a lot like these broken glass designs that you see popping up everywhere. This one I really love. This one's very pretty. All kinds of geometrical designs. This one's also very nice with all these triangles here. And this one with the different shapes, stars, rectangles, all kind of things in here. Very, very nice. Next one. We have some more to go. And you're gonna win all of those. The full 8-piece set. You can win that. We have laces. More lace designs here. Very pretty with all these leaves. Then this one's also very interesting. You have these swirls going and lace in between. Here you have the lace in the middle and flowers and swirls at the ends. This one looks like a zipper of flowers. How cute is that? Different style laces going over each other here. Very pretty. Then more geometrical designs. And here you have also individual designs again that you can combine. Also a puzzle here. Puzzle designs are used for autism awareness, of course. So they are out a lot right now. Lots of triangular shapes here. Really nice. And then we have unicorns. And I'm gonna put them up here for you so you can see them a little better. Individual designs up here and then down here. Really pretty. These are unicorn cupcakes. How cute is that? Then you have the Believe, unicorns and stars, unicorn here. Unicorn everywhere. This one's also cute, sitting on the rainbow. And my favorite is this one down here in the heaven, on the moon. It's like taking a little nap in the magic clouds. Super cute. I love it. We just did a unicorn nail art collab, so I could have used that plate. But I'm sure we will do more with unicorns. Everybody loves unicorns. Here we have cats and dogs. And here we have little paws. Look how cute those are. So you can have them hanging from your nail. Very pretty. You have meow, different sleepy cats, dogs here. Little doggy with the floppy ears. I love that one. And we have I love my dog, I love cats. You have the little paw prints and you have kitties and you have doggies. Very nice. You will also win the large plate holder, Holo plate holder that fits these plates. Again, all you have to do is in the description box below. Check out the rules. I will have this giveaway on till the 30th of April. That's how long you can enter. And on the 1st of May, I will draw a winner. The 30th of April is also the end date of the anniversary sale that BeautyBigbang has currently ongoing. And I'm gonna show you what they have. They have lots of things in their anniversary sales. They have flash sales actually going on. So lots of items reduced by up to 86%. So it's worth checking that out. We'll have a look at that right now. And here we go. So you can see up to 86% off. They have special codes when you have $24. They have $4 off. When you order $74, they have $14 off. If you order below $24, you can still use my discount code Chris, which is also in the description box below. So they have flash sales going on, and I have also ordered stuff. You can see the flash sale, and on the website there is this link that you can directly hop to the flash sale items. And guess what? This is also linked below. I have ordered mermaid powders, 69 cents. Magnetic powders, magnetic cat eye powders. I have ordered those as well, 89 cents. They have lipsticks, metallic and matte. I haven't used any makeup yet, so I can't tell you how they are, but it's a nice price. Look at the plates, they have them right now on sale as well. And if you are in the US, they have a US warehouse now, so delivery will be in 3 to 5 business days. shipped from the United States directly. Then they have all these plates that I've just shown you, and they have the stampers. They have double-ended stamper and the clear jelly stampers. You have seen this one here in my videos a lot. My favorite. I love it. Perfect pickup. This is $3.59 for the set with the scraper. They have cuticle protectors for $2.59. They have the rainbow plate case holders for $8.99, but you can win one. They have stamping polishes here for $2.99 a bottle, and you have seen the stamping polishes on my channel also. I will link that in the end so you can check that out. Holo flakies, duochrome nail powders, Aurora unicorn powder, black mirror powder, Holo nail polish. Yeah. I have just on one right now. I'm gonna do something with that, and I have reviewed those as well. Really pretty Holo powders, chameleon nail polishes. That video is coming up soon. I have reviewed those as well. Perfect, they are gorgeous, the chameleon ones. Duochrome glitter, thermal nail polish, bronzer, blush, highlighter, whatever you want obviously. Eyelash mascara. They have these gorgeous mermaid brushes here, mermaid tail brushes, and you have seen that one as well in my videos. They are perfect for getting the glitters out of your cuticle areas. They have brush sets. Look how pretty that is. Rainbow, spiral, unicorn brush set, and even more promotions. So check that out. Don't miss out on that. That sale's going on till the 30th of April. Same as my giveaway. So good luck to everybody. That was it for this video. If you have any further questions, just leave them in the comments box below. Don't forget to put in enter me if you want to participate. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all a wonderful time wherever you are, and ta-ta till next time.